Hi everyone, I am Partha Pratim Karan and welcome to Product Management Consulting Platform. This time we are going to discuss about one of the most important key area into product management, that is product growth. So let's see how the product growth works and a lot of multiple areas, how it's involved into product growth. Over today's talk, we will be getting into the areas involved into product growth like market penetration, product development, market expansion or development, and diversification. Also, we'll be talking about how to grow a product. Let's see. Now, we will be looking into how these multiple areas are involved or correlated with each other while multiple parameters like existing product or existing market, new product or new market involved over here. You can also see how the risk is varying over the period. Market penetration. It usually refers to the successful selling of a particular product or service in a specific market. It usually measured by the amount of sales volume of an existing product or service compared with target market for that particular product or service. Here you can see few important strategies for successful market penetration like pricing strategy, pricing adjustment, increased promotional activities, improving product, improving technologies, and after selling service. These are the most important strategies for successful market penetration. Product development. New product development covers the complete process of bringing a new product to the market or markets. A central aspect of the new product development is product designing along with various business considerations. Now we will be looking into various aspects into product development like creation, innovation, improvement and enhancement. Also, you can see over here various success factors for new product developments like knowledge management, market orientation, new product development process, new product development speed, new product development strategies, new product development teams, technologies, and support from your upper management. Market expansion or development. Market expansion is one of the great business strategies. Companies are adopting a market expansion strategy while their growth peaks in an existing market. Success depends on confirming that these companies already fulfilled existing market. Then companies must identify other markets. Those are easy to reach. Here you can see few strong market expansion strategies like introduce new product and service, increase sales of current product and service, expand across new areas, make use of new marketing channels, merge with another business, learn from the competition, and finally, invest on your staff. These are the most important strategies for market expansion or market development. Now we will be talking about diversification. Product diversification is one of the best practice of expanding the original market for product or products. The strategy is used to increase the sales associated with an existing product or services. Diversification also allows more varieties and options to the products or services. If it's done properly or correctly, diversification can also provide a tremendous boost to the brand image and company profitability. Sometimes it also can be used as a defense. By diversifying product or services, a company can protect itself from other competitors are available in the market. How to grow a product? Here a few ways are listed to grow a product, like listen to customer feedbacks, make it social, look into the niches, customer tiers, referral programs, partner with other brands, and market yourself effectively. Within social, few areas also involved, like making reviews, putting rating, chatting with each other, arranging offline and online events. These are very useful to grow a product. We are almost done with today's session. So please feel free to write me your suggestions, your queries over the comment section, or I'm also providing my contact details so you can reach out any point of time with your queries. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.